Today I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify and Mailchimp step by step, so you can sync your store, start using your customer data more effectively, and make your email marketing setup a lot easier. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside Mailchimp, look at the left side or main navigation area and click on Integrations. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of the available app connections, so if you want to connect Shopify, this is the right place to start. After that, you'll see a search or discovery area for connected apps. Type Shopify into the search field and press Enter on your keyboard. Mailchimp will now filter the results and show the Shopify integration. This is important because Mailchimp has a lot of connection options, and searching directly saves you time. Now click on Shopify from the results. You should be taken to the Shopify integration page, where Mailchimp gives you the option to begin the setup. On this page, click Get Started. This launches the connection process and prepares Mailchimp and Shopify to link together. At this point, Mailchimp may redirect you to the Shopify App Store or open the Shopify installation flow. When that happens, click Install. Shopify will then ask you to confirm the app installation inside your store. This is a normal step, and it gives Mailchimp permission to connect to your Shopify account. Click Install again if Shopify shows a second confirmation screen. Then, if prompted, sign into your Shopify account. Make sure you're using the correct store login, especially if you manage more than one store or work with a team. Once you're logged in, review the permissions carefully so you understand what data the integration can access. After you approve the connection, Shopify will complete the installation and Mailchimp will begin linking to your store. Depending on your account, you may see a setup screen asking you to finish the sign-in or confirm the connection. One more time. If that appears, just follow the prompts and continue with the same account you want to use for your marketing workflow. Once the setup is complete, the connection between Shopify and Mailchimp should be active. From here, Mailchimp can begin syncing relevant store information, which can help you manage customer lists, create email campaigns, and use your Shopify audience more efficiently. If you want to double-check everything, you can return to the integrations area in Mailchimp and look for Shopify in your connected apps. In Shopify, you can also go to your app settings to confirm that Mailchimp is installed and working properly. This is a good final check, especially if you're setting this up for the first time. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify and Mailchimp. Now you're ready to take the next step with email marketing, customer engagement, and store automation. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.